Hi everyone, this is the second video that I'm making for 5.5 to 5.6, and this one's going to focus on 5.6, okay? And we're still on percents, so make sure that you still remember that mantra, percent of a total is the parts. Write it down, remember it, just make sure that you know this, okay? Because this is going to help you so much. Alright, so I'm going to give you a problem, and then we're going to figure it out, and I'm going to explain why this problem is what it is. So the problem is 20% of 60 is what? So right now, as you're looking at this, I want you to figure out what are we looking for, okay? Are we looking for percent? Are we looking for the total? Or are we looking for the parts? And I want you to kind of follow this mantra here, okay? So let's take a look at this. 20%. Percents are always easy because we know that that's what it is. Percent of 60. Percent of total. Percent of 60. So 60 is going to be total. Total is parts. Total is what? So we are looking for P. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So we're looking for what is the parts. In the first video, we were looking for what was the percent. This one, we're looking for the parts. So there's so many, again, there's different ways to find the answer. Choose the way that makes sense to you. And I'm going to choose, I always start off with the modeling way. So I'm going to start off with my lovely diagram. I always start off with 0%, and that's always 0. And 100%, which is on the other end. Now, 60 is the total. So that's going to be under 100% because that's the whole. We're looking for the parts, and we can break it down into 20% or 10%, okay? So now, let's break it down to 20%. So 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. 5 parts make 60, so that means each part is going to be the value of 12. Okay, so 12. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So 20% of 60 is 12, because that's just this one part right here. 40% of 60 is 12 plus 12, and that's 24. 60% of 60 is 12, 12, 12, that's 36. 80% of 60 is going to be 48, and 100% of 60 is 60, okay? The question is 20%, so 20% is right here, this section right here. 20% of 60 is 12, so that's our answer. The answer is 12, okay? That's the modeling way. Way number 2, ratio table. And I always like to write out what I know. Percent, P, T. Percent is 20, okay, or 20 over 100. P is what we don't know. That's my question mark. And total is 60. Now let's put it in our ratio table, P over T. I always like to start off with percent. So 20% is 20, that's my part, over 100. Okay? Leave a blank just in case I need it. And total is 60. So I'm going to go total right here at the bottom. And what we're looking for is the P right here. 100 can't go into 60 easily. So let's find a number that can. Okay, there's 5, there's 2, there's 1, there's 10, and then there's also 20. Okay, I always like to go for the bigger number, 20. Now, 100 to 20 is divided by 5. Whatever I do at the bottom, I do it at the top. So that's divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 to become 60 is multiplied by 3. Whatever I do at the bottom, I do it at the top. Then we have to balance everything out. 4 times 3 is 12. So my answer is 12. Okay? 12 and 12. Way number 3, proportion. Proportion is like ratio table, except you don't put it in a table. You just write it down as a fraction. So I'm going to write it down. 20 over 100 equals, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the p, so that's my x, that's our variable, and total is 60. Okay, now let's cross multiply. 20 times 60 is 1,200 equals 100 times x is 100x. Now, I want to solve for x. I want to get x to be by itself, so I need to divide by 100. Whatever I do on one side, I do it on the other side. Okay, 100 and 100 cancels out. 1,200 divided by 100 is going to be 12, so x equals 12, and that's our answer. And way number 4 is the multiplying way, kind of like the memorizing way. I personally don't like this way because it's different for every single problem. So number 4, percent of total equals part. So percent times t equals p. Okay, think of this kind of like the formula. Now, percent. Let's break this down into either a decimal, change this into decimal, or a fraction. It does not matter. Okay, so if I change it into a fraction, I can change it to 20 over 100, or I can even simplify it even more to actually make this 1/5, because 20 over 100 is the same thing as 1/5. I'm going to multiply the total, which is 60, and 60 is 60 over 1. Now, I can still cross simplify. So 5 and 60, I can cross simplify. This becomes 1, 60 becomes 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1, so the answer is 12. Okay? Or a different way, same answer. Stay tuned for the third video for percent of total. Okay? See you later in the next one. Bye.